stop. Okay, so I've been doing homework for the past like couple hours and my brain is about to explode. I don't know what I have to do. I have like 3 assignments to do this week and I'm like, the college life is, it's killing me. And it's just my first semester. How am I going to live for the next 4 years? You'll just have to come along for the ride, I guess.